Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Heather of My Creative Corner. Today we are going to work on number 22 and day 23 of Junk Journal January 2025. That's repeat and newspaper. I'm going to combine the two together today. Some newspaper here, an old newspaper from, I think it was the 50s or something. I had a piece in here, 1954. So I was going to lay that in here and repeat it over here and lay that over on that side. I'm just going to leave it sticking out over and not all crinkly along the edge there. I'm just going to leave that too. Kind of like the looks of it. It's a little junky looking. That's on there. And what I was going to do, because I like the looks of the tissue paper against it, was repeat that on this side and in these pages, like I did on another page, with putting the tissue paper. But I was just going to like cut it into like strips sorts, I guess. It's kind of what I was thinking about. And I have this purple tissue paper. I thought I might see what that looked like. To add some color. Thinking about doing something like that. just gonna see what that looks like. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut those off there yet. I'm just going to leave them for now. I might leave them sticking out. I'm not sure yet. I'll get this other side glued on. There. I like how the, especially with the white, it's not so much with the purple, but I wanted the contrast, the color contrast. But anyway, how it still shows through so much of the newspaper. I really like that. I am going to take these off a little bit. Oops. So they stick out too far. And I'll leave them for now. Alright. So, what I was going to do next is just take some markers and very simply writing on this a few words over and over and over. I didn't have that stuck down in there. There we go. And I'm just repeating the same words, create joy, but just doing it over and over, writing over the words that are already there. Okay. Don't have this stuck down very good, I guess. Oh well. Add some color. Just randomly putting them in there over and over. These markers are pretty well run out, but I still hang on to them and use them to the last drop. Try to get everything I can out of them. Guess that one's not going to work. I thought the white, this is a white marker. I thought it might work, but it doesn't want to so much on there. That's alright. And this is a white gel pen. I'm just kind of going over where I put them in with the black marker, seeing what that looks like. There. And I'm just going to come over on this page and repeat that. Let me start with my colors first. There. So, that's what I have for today. Creating a little joy in my junk journal today. If you enjoyed this process and enjoyed the video and have stayed till the end, I thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next one, and for tomorrow's. The next one will be line. So I thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.